Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni John Bill. Yung ganap ni Catherine sa kahapon sa Landcam event and Idol House. Yung mga nakasama ni Catherine. Ganda pa nga ng outfit ni Catherine. No? Yung isa sa mga inabangan dyan. Ito yung kabati ni Catherine.
Hi, kumusta kayo? Ito, mag-start na ako ng movie. So, ipon-ipon na tayo. I'll see you guys soon for the promos. And thank you guys.
Hello, love again.
Thank you. Ito, mag-start na ako ng movie. So, ipon-ipon na tayo. I'll see you guys soon for the promos. And thank you for everything. Thank you.
Yan, nakabangan kay Catherine. Masaya din yung mga girls, oh. Mga kasama ni Catherine dyan sa event ng Landcam.
I grew up seeing ads of Lancome, and the brand has always been there empowering women through beauty, and now with fragrance naman. I remember when I was a kid, and growing up, I would always see their campaigns in magazines. Every time I travel, and then to airports, I would see their booths and all. And then I never imagined that one day I would be part of it. So now that I am blossoming into this era of my life, I'm just happy that Lancome Idol is part of it. So I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And is there, you mentioned fragrances, was there a fragrance about oh, yung holy grail, you really wanted to get that and you're like, wait, wala pa sa budget. Meron bang ganon? Usually, like especially in the makeup line, yan yung lagi ko nakikita. And then now that, when they asked for a meeting, I think last year, then they told me that they're gonna launch this Idol fragrance. And then, season 3 of a girl, I'm like, let's do it. Why not, diba? So now I'm using the Idol Nectarine. That's my personal favorite. But you know, lahat kasi mabango, but this one, I just feel like it's more me. So, I don't know if you can smell me. You know what? Every time, and I'm not kidding now, and this is not true, but every time we have a chance to get to hold something together, you're the guest of honor, I always go out to the event being, oh my God, what's her perfume? I forgot naman to ask. Yeah. Even the last one. So today, we finally know if the nectarine one. He gets out. Yeah. Okay. And it's so important because you leave that lasting impression. Literally, with me, I'm driving home like, I forgot naman to ask. Ang may kating. Yeah. So to avoid that the nectarine one, and we also launched the Ultolip one. Yeah. Yes. Actually, all the time, it depends on my mood. Today, I just feel like, I mix it also. So for me kasi,
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more updated po on with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.